Today, Crystal is doing a recipe. What are we calling this one today?
Lickin linguine chicken casserole.
All right, sounds good. Should we get started?
Oh yeah.
All right. All right, so we've got our casserole dish sprayed with non-stick spray. What should we do first?
All that linguine.
All right.
How much linguine did you?
I did just like a regular size box of linguine.
That's good.
Spread that out.
That's a lot. That's
Yep.
good.
All right.
Well, not for me, of course. That's
Yeah.
why
Yeah, you don't eat pasta, right?
Oh no. That's why it's for your family.
Okay. All right, now what?
Now the chicken.
Chicken. All right, so we have chicken breasts. There was 2 good-sized chicken breasts, and Robert chopped those up from us. Should we add that to the pasta?
Yes.
All right. All right, looks good. What's next?
The Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese. We've got a Sargento shredded Parmesan cheese.
And we're gonna use it all.
All right.
You cannot have too much cheese.
Yep, I agree here. Pour that on. All right. Looks good. Now what?
Bacon.
Bacon. And we did a whole pack of bacon and cooked that up nice and crispy. Smells great. Should we add all that on?
Oh yeah.
All right. All right, I can't wait to try this. All right.
And now the last pack of cheese.
All right, so now we've got shredded mozzarella cheese.
Which we're gonna use all that as well.
Okay.
Because like I said before, you can never have enough.
Yep. Oh, now my greasy bacon hands are having trouble opening this. There we go. All right. Now we'll sprinkle that on.
The whole bag.
All right. Should we add some garlic powder? Whoops.
Yes.
All right, so garlic
You can never
powder.
have enough.
Yep. Sprinkle some of that on. All right, looks good. All right, so we have our oven preheated to 350. Should we go ahead and pop this in there?
Yep. I'd say we'd pop it in there for 25 minutes.
All right, we'll see you then.
Okay, so it's all done, and it smells good, even though I don't eat pasta.
Yeah, there it is. It looks good.
So, Robert, it is your turn first. I'm gonna have 2 taste testers today.
Okay. Okay, let me try. I really love it. Renee, you should try it.
I will definitely try it.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Just kidding, we're back. I'm gonna give it a try for you guys. Mmm. Very good.
Okay, bye for real this time. Until next time. It's not bye forever, but just until next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.